Today we're cooking Donkatsu. It's one of my favorites. First, cut the meat for about 1.5 inches. Then season it with salt and pepper. And then you need to pound the meat. Jimmy? Wait, stop! Well, what I actually meant was to gently tenderize the meat, like this. Shut up, Jimmy. Calm down, Jimmy. It was only a piece of meat. Then you need to coat the meat with breadcrumbs, also known as panko. Or you could try going to your local bakery to see if they also have some breadcrumbs. Either one works. You could try them both to see which one you like. But Jimmy? Jimmy? Where'd you go, Jimmy? Oh, hey, Jimmy. Why are you holding that spatula? Jimmy?